The question says what is the main product of the reaction between 2-methyl propene with HBr. You can see 2-methyl propene alkene is there, and alkene is reacting with only HBr. There is no peroxide effect. Okay, it is reacting with only HBr. Hence we can complete this reaction based on Markovnikov rule. Okay, according to Markovnikov rule, anion always attached to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. Okay, first of all we can draw the structure. We have 2-methyl propane is there, so we have C. First of all we can draw the structure. How many carbon in the parent chain? Propane, 3 carbon are there. C and C is there. It says 2-methyl. Here we have to the second carbon methyl group is attached. Okay, we attach double bond here. Alkene is there. Satisfy the valency of carbon. We have CH3. Sorry, it is going to be CH2, and here we have the CH3. 2-methyl propane reacting with HBr. Here we have HBr is there. We can break this one. This is positive and this is negative is there. According to Markovnikov rule, anion will connect to the carbon having less number of hydrogen in a double bonded system. This is a double bonded system. You cannot say, sir, this carbon is having 3 hydrogen, more number of hydrogen. This carbon also has a hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. Then Br minus ion will connect to this carbon. Keep in mind, these 2 carbon are not part of a double bonded system. You can see they are not connected directly to the double bond. Only you should focus on the environment of those carbon which are directly connected to the double bond. You can see this carbon is directly connected to double bond. This carbon is also connected to double bond. Hence you should compare these carbon hydrogen only. In this case it has 2 hydrogen. In this case this carbon does not have any hydrogen because it is already forming how many bond? 4 bond. Hence you can see it has less number, no hydrogen, 0 hydrogen. In this case more hydrogen. Hence Br minus ion will connect to this carbon, hence H plus ion will connect to this carbon. Combine, complete the reaction based on Markovnikov rule. Then we get the product CH3. This is C. We can mention this is what we have. Br is there. Here we have CH3 there. Then we get CH3 there. If we go for the nomenclature, okay, so you can see we have the parent chain 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, and this is what bromo is starting from B. This is methyl is starting from M. So name will be 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. This is the parent chain is there. 2-bromo 2-methyl propane is there. Any such option you can see 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Option D is correct. 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.